Hello and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nadav. I'm the CEO of Append Medical. So let's start. I'm here to speak about Append Medical solution for LAA elimination. So why do we need to eliminate the LAA? Atrial fibrillation, which is a heart rhythm disease, can potentially create clots inside the left atrial appendage, which is an organ in the left side of the heart. Those clots can potentially flow into the brain, causing stroke, and by that, atrial fibrillation patients has a risk of 5-fold to increase to receive stroke. So the current main solutions for a transcatheter solution for eliminating or reducing the risk of stroke for those patients are metal occluders, which are actually metal implants being designed to be implanted inside the left atrial appendage cavity in order to seal it and to avoid creation of blood clots. This is a huge and fast-growing market, expected to reach up to $4.5 billion in 10 years from today. But this solution has a significant inherent embedded risk by the nature of the solution. The two main risks are peri-device leakage, that this is actual leakage that still left after the procedure. 25% of the procedures are ended with some kind of leakage behind or even through those devices and can potentially create clots over time. The second risk is a DRT, or device-related thromboembolism, by the fact that there are metal-based materials inside the heart, creating clots on top of them over time. So over the years, leading industry players are in pursuit of suitable candidates in order to disrupt this market, with no success until now, leaving Boston Scientific dominate the market, the US market, with over 90% market share. So with Append, we are thinking differently. Actually, why do we need to use metal implants and to put additional metal inside the heart in order to seal this cavity, when we can actually manipulate and use the natural tissue in order to do that? And this is the way it's done.
Append Medical introduces an innovative left atrial appendage, or LAA, exclusion system. The system is inserted via a standard transeptal access procedure into the left atrium. The tissue grabber is advanced into the LAA and captures the LAA tissue by vacuum. The tissue grabber pulls and invaginates the LAA into the ligation device that is attached to the LAA ostium. The ligation device releases and tightens the suture around the invaginated LAA tissue. The system is retrieved, and the suture cutter is inserted over the suture, cutting the excess suture material above the knot. Then the entire system is retrieved. A few months after the procedure, the invaginated LAA native tissue volume is significantly reduced.
So this is an example how it looks via fluoroscopy. On the left side, you can see how it looks before the procedure. This is the left atrial appendage volume. And this is a post-procedure fluoroscopy. You can see a total elimination of the left atrial appendage and the clear, no blood flow inside this cavity. We already kicked off our clinical first-in-human study earlier this year. We are targeting to complete up to 20 patients in 3 different sites. Until now, we have an excellent result. First of all, safety. The device and the procedure is completely safe with no adverse events at all. an excellent acute and up to 3 and 6 month follow-up showing the results of total elimination of the left atrial appendage. This is one example from one of our patients that we did in Prague. On the top side, you can see pre-procedural CT and TEE showing the left atrial appendage cavity, which in this patient is pretty complex. And on the bottom, you can see the results. This is the TEE. Immediately after the procedure, you can see no cavity at all, but still a bulged tissue of the inverted tissue inside the left atrium. The middle image is from a day 30, and the last is a day 90 follow-up showing a significant reduction of the inverted tissue volume and a good heart functioning. Our clinical advisory team includes top-level KOLs within the space, electrophysiologists, as well as interventional cardiologists from US and Europe. So our roadmap includes completion of this first-in-human study by the end of the year and kicking off the US EFS study of up to 50 patients earlier in the beginning of Q2 in 2025. Our B round is targeting for $18 million that will enable the company to complete the EFS study and to prepare for a pivotal IDE study in the US by the end of 2026, which the company already has secured $5 million out of the 18. So finally, Append Medical presents a complete LAA elimination solution, natural-based, without any device in the heart at all. And this is the future of structural heart. So actually, we are structuring the heart without any structure, metal structure. Eliminating the risk of DRTs and leakage by the nature of the concept. And we have one system that can fit to various morphologies and shapes of the left atrial appendage. Thank you very much.